Hello, Financial Freedom Chaser. Welcome to Financially Unlocked channel. Do you want to know the 7 money systems that can make you wealthy forever? These are the same strategies the rich use to grow, protect, and pass down their wealth. In this video, I'll break down each system so you can start applying them today. Whether it's automating your finances, leveraging smart debt, or building generational wealth. If you're serious about financial freedom, make sure to watch till the end and take notes. Let's get started. 1. Automated savings system. Let's start with a simple but powerful system. Automated savings. If you wait until the end of the month to save whatever's left, guess what? There's usually nothing left. The wealthy automate their savings so that money is set aside before they even touch it. The key is to treat savings like a non-negotiable expense, just like rent or utilities. Here's how you do it. Set up an automatic transfer to a high-yield savings account. Choose an account with the best interest rates to maximize your savings growth. Make sure the transfer is scheduled right after you receive your paycheck. Allocate 20% or more of your income to investments. The rich don't just save, they invest. Consider splitting your investments between stocks, real estate, index funds, or retirement accounts. Use platforms like robo-advisors or brokerage accounts to ensure your money is growing over time. Automatically move money into different accounts for different purposes. Set up separate accounts for different financial goals, e.g., an emergency fund, vacation fund, or a future home purchase. This prevents you from dipping into your long-term savings for short-term expenses. Leverage employer benefits. Many companies offer automatic deductions for 401k contributions, health savings accounts HSAs, and stock purchase plans. Maximize employer matching contributions. They're free money. Use roundup savings apps. Apps like Acorns, Chime, and Digit automatically round up your purchases and save or invest the difference. This is an effortless way to grow your savings without even noticing. Regularly increase your savings rate. Every time you get a raise or a bonus, increase the percentage of your automatic savings. This way, your lifestyle doesn't inflate with your income, and your wealth continues to grow. By implementing this system, saving money stops being a choice. It becomes a habit. The key to wealth isn't just making money, it's keeping and growing it. Section 2, the 50-30-20 rule system. Next up, we have the 50-30-20 rule. This is one of the simplest yet most effective budgeting systems used by financial experts worldwide. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to necessities. These include rent, utilities, groceries, insurance, and essential bills. 30% goes to wants. This covers discretionary spending like entertainment, dining out, subscriptions, shopping, and vacations. 20% goes to savings and investments. This is the money you put into emergency funds, retirement accounts, stocks, or other long-term wealth-building opportunities. How to implement the 50-30-20 rule. Effectively, track your expenses, use budgeting apps like Mint, YNAB, or Personal Capital to categorize your spending and ensure you're following the rule. Reviewing your expenses regularly helps identify areas where you might be overspending. If your necessary expenses exceed 50%, look for ways to cut costs. Maybe refinance loans, switch to cheaper insurance, or find more affordable housing. If your wants exceed 30%, consider prioritizing what truly brings you value and eliminating unnecessary purchases. Prioritize savings from day one. Automate your savings so that 20% of your paycheck is moved into an investment or high-yield savings account before you even have a chance to spend it. If you can save more than 20%, even better. Consider increasing your contributions as your income grows. Customize the rule to fit your needs. The 50-30-20 rule is a great starting point, but it's not set in stone. If you're aiming for aggressive wealth building, you might adjust to 40-30-30. 40% necessities, 30% wants, 30% savings investments. The key is consistency. Whatever percentages you choose, stick to them. By following this system, you ensure that you're always growing your wealth while still enjoying life. The key is to track your spending, adjust where needed, and commit to consistency. Section 3, multiple streams of income. One of the biggest secrets of the wealthy? multiple streams of income. You cannot rely on just your 9-to-5 paycheck if you want to be truly wealthy. Here are the top ways the rich create multiple income streams. Investing in stocks and dividends. Stocks provide long-term appreciation, while dividends offer consistent passive income. Consider ETFs and index funds to diversify your portfolio. Starting an online business. Whether it's e-commerce, freelancing, or content creation, the internet offers countless ways to generate revenue. Build scalable income sources such as membership sites, courses, or affiliate marketing. Owning rental properties. Real estate provides cash flow and long-term appreciation. Look into rental properties, house hacking, or short-term rentals, Airbnb. Building and selling digital products. Create and sell digital assets like ebooks, software, templates, or online courses. This income stream has high scalability and low overhead costs. Generating passive income through royalties and licensing. Earn money from book royalties, stock photography, music licensing, or patents. The key to success. Start with one, master it, then add more. The goal is to have money coming in from different sources so you're never dependent on just one. Multiple streams of income create financial security and accelerate wealth building. Section 4. Automated investing system. The fourth system is automated investing. Investing should be automatic. If you have to remember to invest, you're already losing. Here's how you do it. Set up a brokerage account. Choose a reliable platform such as Vanguard, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. Ensure it supports automated contributions. Choose a low-cost index fund like the S&P 500. Index funds diversify risk and offer solid returns over time. Low-cost ETFs such as VOO or SPY are great options. Automate a portion of your income to be invested every month. Set up recurring transfers from your bank account. This removes emotion from investing and ensures consistency. Reinvest dividends. Enable automatic dividend reinvestment to maximize compounding. Increase your contributions over time. As your income grows, boost your investment percentage. Aim to invest at least 20% of your earnings. By automating your investments, you take emotion out of the process and ensure that you're consistently growing your money over time. The key is consistency and long-term thinking. Investing should be boring but effective. 5. The debt destroyer system. Debt is the biggest wealth killer, so we need a debt destroyer system. 2 proven ways to crush debt. Debt snowball. Pay off the smallest debt first, then roll those payments into the next one. This method builds momentum and motivation. Debt avalanche. Pay off the debt with the highest interest rate first. This method saves the most money in the long run. Additional debt elimination strategies. Negotiate lower interest rates on credit cards and loans. Consolidate high-interest debt into a lower-interest loan. Avoid accumulating new debt by sticking to a strict budget. Use windfalls wisely. Apply tax refunds, bonuses, or extra income toward debt repayment. The choice depends on what motivates you more: quick wins or long-term savings. Either way, eliminating bad debt will free up money for wealth-building investments and financial independence. Section 6. Tax optimization system. The rich don't just make money, they know how to keep more of it. That's why a tax optimization system is crucial. Some simple ways to optimize your taxes. Max out your 401k or IRA for tax-deferred growth. Take advantage of real estate tax deductions. Start a business to write off expenses legally. Understanding the tax code can save you thousands, so consult a tax professional and make sure you're not overpaying. Section 7. Networking and mentorship system. Lastly, the biggest wealth hack isn't just about money, it's about who you know. Surround yourself with people who are where you want to be. Build relationships with mentors, join investment groups, and learn from those who have already figured it out. Your network is your net worth. So let's recap the 7 money systems that will make you wealthy forever. Automated saving system, pay yourself first. 50-30-20 rule, budget like the rich. Multiple streams of income. Don't rely on one paycheck. Automated investing, grow your wealth without thinking. Debt destroyer system, get rid of bad debt fast. Tax optimization, keep more of what you earn. Networking and mentorship, learn from the best. Wealth isn't about luck, it's about systems. Start implementing these today and watch how your financial future transforms. These 7 money systems are the key to building lasting wealth. Now the question is, which one will you start using first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this valuable, hit that like button so more people can learn these strategies. And don't forget to subscribe to Financially Unlocked for more videos on growing and protecting your wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.